Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, October 9th, 2014, and the U.S. stock market is closed. You know, in 20-some years of trading, I can't say I've never seen anything quite like what we have been looking at for the last week and a half. I checked this out, since the beginning of October, we've had 9 trading days, and in those 9 trading days, we've had 5 days where the Dow Jones Industrial Average exceeded 200 points one way or another, and in 3 of those days it actually got close or exceeded 300 points. I mean, this is unprecedented volatility, but what is even more peculiar, makes it really unusual, is that this is not volatility in one direction. That thing keeps shifting directions, and even though everybody is probably screaming the bear, the bear, the bear today, honestly, I look at the charts and I would not want to be the one to say, hey, the trend is down, because the trend isn't down. The Dow went up with 273 points yesterday, even though it went down 334 today. That is not enough to indicate a trend, but with this unbelievable volatility back and forth, alternating from one day to the next, it makes trading almost impossible. And trading our style, which depends, you get in on the trend one day and usually take profits the second day with the trend, moving in the same direction. I mean, this is just the kiss of death. And yesterday I said, we got into 23 positions. If this market reverses again and goes down 270 points, we're toast. Well, we're toast. It didn't go down 270 points. It went down 330. And we just got wiped out on, I think, 19 of these 23 positions. Unfortunately, we closed out negative $19,000 on this. We're only holding one position, but even that one position is negative $1,900. So this is one of the worst days we've had all year. So, things are not looking good. But I want to say something just before, that I'm going to be in this market tomorrow trading again, and I'm going to be trading my system, and this is why. One of the most deadliest things can happen to our particular style of trading is loss of volatility. That's worse than anything else, because if you don't have the volatility, you can't get big enough trades to overcome all the commissions that we pay. I've seen that in my research over and over again. So, in spite of the fact the volatility that we've had in the last week and a half has just been horrible in terms of trying to trade it, I'm glad to see volatility coming into the market, and I believe that in time we will be able to recapture all our losses without any trouble if this volatility keeps up, because we do well in volatile markets. But as I say, in 20 years I haven't seen a market whipsawing like this. This is just unbelievable. Volatility combined with whipsaws that is really deadly and very difficult to trade. Anyway, let's take a look. Okay, we're looking at the Dow here, and I'm not going to comment too much. This all I can say is this is crazy, up and down and up and down. And this is a roller coaster. Nobody can trade this, and this market is setting up for something big in the future, and I don't know what it is. Okay, the close was near its low. This thing probably is going down, but I am not going to try and predict. I will show you just a couple of our trades This was the worst trade we had. It is in JRJC. We got into this yesterday on an upside break. Today, slam. 15 minutes in the market day, we were out with a $4,000 loss. That really hurt because we did have one nice trade today, and that was in Nova Gold. And we got into this thing yesterday, last hour of the day. It just kept going, and we got out there almost at the top and made $4,000. Unfortunately, all that money we made in Nova Gold was canceled out by JRJC. Too bad. Anyway, really bad day. I'm not happy, but I'm going to be in the market tomorrow trading my system because this is going to resolve to the top side, I'm certain. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Friday.